Now I am just introducing a concept which can be useful in data interpretation. It is very important in calculations, especially for bank PO, sir. Because in CGL they are not giving more questions on DI, sir. Of course DI is there, but they will never give that much important in CGL, sir. But in banking, if you think there is no DI, think that you don't have any job in banking. If there is no DI for banking, think that there is no job in banking. That much important it is, sir. In banking, for suppose in almost in all the exams in banking there are prelims and mains, sir. Prelims and mains. Prelims most probably for aptitude 35 questions will be there. 35 questions will be there. Worst case 10. On an average 15 questions will be only from DI. Worst case 10, sir. But on an average 15 questions will be only from DI. In the mains, most probably there will be 40 questions in all banking examinations. In few examinations like RRB, few times they are changing the pattern. It may change up to 50, but most probably it is 40 only. If it is 40, worst case 15 questions. Worst case 15 questions, up to 20 questions based on DI only, sir. Based on DI only, sir. In the future we will be having the DI sessions also according to the convenient timings. But banking, guys, please don't neglect the data interpretation concept if you seriously want to get the job. If you seriously want to get the job. Okay, sir. Okay. Now enter into the topic, sir. In DI, actually I am not getting in depth of DI, sir. DI is the very huge concept. We should have lot of concepts and we have to learn all the concepts, sir. It is not a single concept to learn in a single day. Data interpretation is that much huge concept. It's very huge concept, sir. Okay. Right. Now just the first concept is there will be one question. There will be one question. For suppose, I am just assuming one question. The question can be like this. In which year the percentage of increase in given companies is highest? If anyone is already gone through this DI, think about this. If you are a newcomer, you don't know anything about DI, just try to understand the things. Okay, just try to understand the things. In DI, if you already solve the questions, there will be one question like this. In which of the following, in which year the percentage of increase in given companies is highest? Means for suppose the data can be like this. In 1999, the any value, it can be production, import, export, anything. For suppose I am assuming production is some 20. In 2000 the production can be 22. In 2001 the production can be 19. In 2002 the production can be 27. Like this some data will be given, sir. First you should know what is the percentage of increase. All these things are again covered in DI. Now I am not going to explain this DI concept, sir. I am just telling you that in DI my next concept is going to be used. And it is very good concept. So the percentage of increase means I can write it as change percentage. It is just a basic concept of DI. Please be with the patience. Change by previous value, I can say, sir. So change percentage is, if change percentage you have to calculate means you should compare that change with the previous value. For suppose from 20 it became 22. Change is 2. Here the change percentage is 2. Previous value is 20. That is 1 by 10. So here it is decreased, but by how much, sir? 3. So here the change percentage is 3, the previous value is 22. Similarly, 19 became 27. What is the increase, sir? Increase is 8, sir. So a percentage increase is 8 by 19. If you want to calculate the percentage, you have to multiply with 100 to each and every value with here. So in this procedure, this is one basic question in DI, sir. This is one basic question in DI. In this procedure, we are going to waste a lot of time by calculation of these percentages individually. By calculation of percentages individually. So I am just going to avoid this concept. Only one thing is get the ratios. If you are able to get the ratios, you can tell me, you can calculate which ratio is greater. Because which ratio is greater? If ratio is greater, definitely percentage will also be greater. If one ratio is greater, its percentage only will be greater, because ratios, percentage both are same. Only the conversion things we have to do there. So I am giving two ratios, sir. One ratio is 2 by 13. One ratio is 2 by 13. Please concentrate on my statements. One ratio is 2 by 13. Other ratio is 7 by let it be, just hold on, 7 by 19. So between these two, let us assume these two are the percentage increase or percentage decrease values in terms of ratios. So between these two ratios, which ratio is greater? Definitely that value should be having the highest increase percentage. Which ratio is least? Definitely that ratio will be having the least increase percentage. So like this, indirectly we can use this concept in DI, sir. I need answers from you, sir. Which one is greater between these two ratios? Jitendra said 2 by 13. Sai Pranav 7 by 19. 2 by 13 is greater. We'll check it out, sir. 2 by 13. Okay. 7 by 19. Quick answer, sir. Make it fast, sir. 7 by 19. Majority people answering it as 7 by 19. Very good. Okay. Right. Nothing to worry, sir. If you did any mistake in entering the data, nothing to worry. Check it out. There is one general method to compare. One is 2 by 13. How can I write it? So 0 point. This is the general method. Point means 2 will become 20. 13 ones are 13. 7 will be remainder. Like this you have to work out. Okay, it is 0.1 something. So how can I write 7 by 19? 0 point. It will become, 7 will become 70. If you know 19 table, 19 3s are 57. 19 4s are 76. So it is 0.3 change, it is 0.1 change. Definitely 7 by 19 is greater. But it is not that much easy. To work out in each and every ratio. So for that I am going to give one method. Multiply the numerator with opposite side denominator. 19 2s are 38. Multiply the numerator with opposite side denominator. 13 7s are 91. Which value is greater after this multiplication? That ratio should be greater. Which value is greater? That ratio should be the greater one. I hope it is clear. I am just trying to give few more examples based on this, sir. I'll give few more examples. Just for one more time, I'll take only one thing. So let it be 4 by 19. 7 by 23. So for these type of questions, working individually to find out to 0 point something. Working individually like 0 point something is not that much easy, sir. So just to cross multiply the things. multiply the numerator with opposite side denominator. Here one more common mistake can be done by the students is, you may be thinking that what is 23 into 4. You may be working on that actually. So 24 is 80, 3 4s are 12, means it is 92. And again 19 sevens are, what is 19 sevens are? Sir, here I am not asking you to calculate the value, sir. I am asking you to tell me which product is greater. It is 23 into 4. It is 19 into 7. Please don't multiply the things unnecessarily, and please don't waste your time, sir. 25 fours is 100, sir. 25 fours are 100, means definitely it is less than 100. 19 sevens actually it is 133 if you know 19 table. Sir, if you don't know 19 table, nothing to worry, sir. Nothing to worry. If you know that 19 sevens is greater than 100, that is enough to me. The first value is less than 100, second value is greater than 100. So the ratio relation is 4 by 19 is less than 7 by 23. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear to each and every person. Lakshmi Narayana, you can make the denominator same. Actually, I am using the same method in other way. If you go on making equal the denominators, time will be wasted a lot, sir. Actually, whatever you are saying, that is right only, but time will be wasted. To make equal, you should know their LCM. Means again, the concept of comparison is becoming the LCM SCF concept. So I am not interested in that, sir. Okay, now this is for two ratios, but in DI there will be 5 options for any bank examinations, means you will get 5 options, sir. So from that 5 options you have to get the answer, sir. From that 5 options you have to get the answer. For two ratios it is very clear. So now let us directly jump to the 5 options. In the given 5 options, for CGL also it is important, sir. In CGL there is one good question. Most commonly they are asking in tier 1 most of the cases. The question can be like this: 2 by 3, 5 by 9, 6 by 11, 3 by 8. Okay, let me take only 4 ratios this time. In CGL there is one good question. They will give the ratios and they'll ask you to arrange them in ascending order, or they'll ask you to arrange them in descending order. This is one common repeated question in CGL, sir. Of course in banking there is no question like that. Don't waste your time. In banking there is no question ascending, descending. Nothing to worry. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right. 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 Now just look into this, sir. Here I am not forcing you to use my method, sir, for all the ratios. If the ratios are confused, then only you can use, sir. Here, okay, I am just using my method as of now. 9 2s are 9 2s are 18, 3 5s are 15. Means definitely this ratio is greater, sir. I am just trying to arrange it in ascending order, sir. I am trying to arrange it in ascending order. Means first I need the least number. If in the actually in CGL examination options will be there, according to the options we can do it in very fast way. But as of now, because I didn't give any option, I am just following the general method. So first one is greater, but I need the least one, sir. 5 by 9 is the least. Between these two, sir. Between these two, sir. As of now, 5 by 9 is least. 11 5s are 55. 9 6 are 54. It is 55. It is 54. This is least, sir. I need this as of now because I am just trying to arrange it in ascending order. Now, 8 6 are 48. 11 3s are 33. It is 48. It is 33. Actually, fortunately, the order is in a particular order, that is descending order, because it is 33, sir. It is 33. It is the least one, 3 by 8. And between these two, this one is the least one, order has already, it is in descending order. Fortunately you got that. The order will be this, sir. Ascending means 3 by 8, 6 by 11, 5 by 9, 2 by 3. But in examination the order may change. It is already given in descending order. So I am just writing in ascending order. Just look at that, sir. Meghna, I think you did a mistake between 5 by 9 and 6 by 11. Please check it out, Meghna. 11 5s are 55, 9 6 are 54. 54 is the least one. Means 6 by 11 is least or lesser than 5 by 9, Meghna. Please check it out. First it should be 6 by 11 and then it should be 5 by 9. Okay, sir. Okay. So this is one good hint. But in examination for PO, no need to write any ascending descending order, sir. CGL the question will be like this. But for PO, you may have to find out only the greatest one, only the least one, sir. You may have to calculate. PO means it is for DI. I cannot say only PO. The question can be asked in CAT level. The question can be asked in CGL also in the form of DI. In DI, you have to calculate either the greatest one or the least one. That is enough, sir. No need to arrange any ascending and descending order, sir. Don't engage in discussion, sir, for unnecessary topics. Try to listen to me carefully. We have very less time. So let me finish this. So for suppose I am taking the numbers like this. I got one number as 5 by 11. Let it be 2 by 3. 1 by 4. I'll give some 5 to 6 options to you. Just I need the greatest one and at the same time I need the least one. Okay, 5. Let me give one more option to you. Let me give one more option. 8 by 15. So first please work out on greatest, sir. Please work out on only greatest, sir. So just I need greatest. 11 8s are 88. 15 5s are 75. Forget about this because the product is 75. So as of now, no need to work out on second option. Now first to third, sir. 8 3s are 24. 15 2s are 30. Means this is the least one. This is 30. Between these two, actually here I know 2/3 means 66%, 1/4 means 25%. This is only greater. But according to my method, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 1. I need only the greatest one. Forget about this ratio. Now it is actually 66. It is 0.3 means 30%. But according to my method, 10 2s are 20, 3 3s are 9. 20 is the greatest. Now we left out only with two ratios, that is 2 by 3, 7 by 17. We left out only with two ratios, 2 by 3, 7 by 17. Actually this is also no need to work out. 17 2s are is 34, but 3 7s are is only 21. So which one is greatest, sir? 2/3 is greatest, sir. 2/3 is greatest, sir. Work out individually, sir. Work out individually and try to give the answer. Work out individually. Yes, many of you gave the answer greatest as 2/3 and least I am getting the answers as 1/4. Yes, we'll work with least one also, sir. Nothing to worry. So this is about the greatest, sir. So I am just copying the same ratios and I'll try to work out with the least one. In DI, sir, either the greatest one or the least one. Any one thing is required, sir. No need to find out everything. No need to arrange in ascending or descending order, sir. So these were my ratios. Now I'm just working for the least one, sir. Here I can eliminate something, sir. If you know the relation between ratio to percentage, 2/3 is 66.66. If you know these things, eliminate, because 1/4 is only 25 percentage. 3 by 10 is 30 percentage. Eliminate, because 1/4 is only 25 percentage. Yes or no, sir? So if you know the ratios, it will be the second case. If you know that ratio to percentage, because till now I didn't teach that ratio to percentage to you, I am not concentrating more on that portion, sir. If you know that, that will be very good. I'll be very happy with that. So two fractions are eliminated, two ratios are eliminated. Now between this again, 11 8s are 88. Here it is not that much easy to compare. 11 8s are 88, 15 5s are 75. But this time I need the least one, sir. This time I need the least one. So I am not concentrating on the greatest one. So 5 by 11. So finally you left out with three ratios. 5 by 11, 5 by 11. And what is that, sir? 1/4 and 7 by 17, sir. 7 by 17. 7, I'm just checking these two, sir. 17 5s are 85. 11 7s are 77. I need the least one. I need the least one. This is greatest one. Just to forget about this. Last two. 17 1s are 17. 4 7s are 28. But I need the least one. So this is the least one. 1/4, sir. This is the least one. 1/4. So like this, if you work out this on this comparison of ratios, it can be useful to you while solving the questions of DI in examination. But other than this, for suppose I have to calculate the 8 by 15 in terms of percentage, what I have to do, sir? If I decided to calculate 8 by 15 in terms of percentage, into 100. After that, cancellation. 520 times, 5 3 times. After that, 8 into 20, 160 by 3. Like this, lot of time will be wasted in calculation of individual percentages. In calculation of individual percentages, lot of time will be wasted, sir. Now my last method of the day, last calculation. Again, this is also very useful in calculation of DI. This is also very useful in calculation of DI. In no textbook you will get these methods, sir. In no textbook you will get these methods. So I am just taking one good question to you. How to guess the answers without using any pen? I am just writing down the things here. First, as of now, initially let me take this. What is 2875 by 125? Answer. What is 2875 by 125? So like this, we have to calculate the value of this. So let us check out. So here some conditions are there. First condition and the last condition. There is only one condition. Make sure that answer is an integer. Make sure that answer is an integer. If you ask me, sir, what if it is not an integer? In that case, by using this method, I cannot help you. But for this type of huge data, in competitive examination point of view, they will never give the decimals, sir. That is my confidence. So for that purpose, I am just going with this method, and this is the last concept of the day, sir. Last concept of the day. If you know any method, give me the answers. But don't use the calculator, sir, please. Don't use the calculators. Okay. How to get the answer? By making sure that the answer is integer. You may ask me, sir, how can we know the answer is integer or not? Means if this is the if this is the last step of your question, definitely in examination options will be there. Yes or no? Definitely in examination options will be there. For suppose I am only giving the options. First option is 13. Second option is 15. Third option is 17. Fourth option is 23. Fifth last option is 22. So these are the five given options. So this is the last model. Please listen to me carefully. So just check it out, sir. I am giving one simple example, one basic example. If it is 12 by 2, what can be the answer? Directly you can say the answer is 6 without any thinking. So here I am just changing this question. Of course 12 by 2 is 6 only. So what I am doing, by multiplying with what number, it will become 1. Actually that should be my answer. I am repeating my thing, sir. I am repeating my question. If it is 12 by 2, the answer is 6. But here I am changing this question as, by multiplying with what number, the answer will be 1. That should be the required value. Definitely it is 6, sir. So my answer is also 6. Here also, by multiplying with what number, it will become 1. By multiplying with what number, it will become 1. That should be your answer. Just check it out, sir. Here it is 5. And you have to work out on this unit digit. By multiplying with what number, you will get 5 in the unit digit. I am just repeating clearly. Sir, first number, it is 3. 3 5s are, for suppose if it is answer, 3 5s are 15. It is a possibility. 5 5s are possibility. 7 5s are. So, is there any number which is not satisfying this condition? Is there any number which is not satisfying? 22 is not satisfying. Why, sir? Unit digit is 2, sir. If you multiply 5 with 2, 5 2s are 10, means unit digit should be 0, sir. Means unit digit should be 0, sir. So you cannot use that 22 as the answer, sir. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is this clear to everyone, sir? Right. Now check out this, sir. So answer may be, because the number is starting with 5, it became a little bit difficult thing to you. But nothing to worry, sir. So answer can be 13, answer can be 15, answer can be 17, answer can be 23. Out of these 4, one thing should be your answer according to the options. One thing is you can use the digital sum. Okay, let us check it, sir. If it is 13, 12, 13, it is 12 into 13, sir. It is near to 1500, not about 2800, sir. It is my assumption model, sir. So I can eliminate this. I can eliminate this 13. I can eliminate this 13. Why, sir? If it is 10 times, it will become 1250 only. It is not even 15 times. So I can eliminate this number because it is very small number. 15, sir. 15, sir. So 15, 10 times 1200, so half of that 600, 1200 near to 10 times means 1250, half of that means 625, it is near to 1800, I can eliminate. 22 is already eliminated. So if it should be, I can say one more word here, it should be, this number should be greater than 20, sir. Why, sir? 125 2s are 125 2s are 250. If it is 20, it will become 2500. I can say directly this one, but I am just trying to explain the options to you. Answer should be greater than 20, sir, without any doubt. Greater than 20, there are only 2 options. Greater than 20, there are only 2 options. In that one is even number, in that one is odd number. Even number should not be the answer. So my answer should be odd number, sir. I am repeating the things one more time, sir. I am repeating the things one more time, sir. The question given was 2875 by 25 or 125. I just forget. 287 Okay, let me check into that, sir. I just forgot my number. I can use some other number also if you wish. If you are okay, you can remember that number, sir. What was my number? No number? Two 2875 by 125. Okay, very good, sir. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, I'm just going to that method. 2875 by 125. I remember the options as 13, 15, 17, 23, 22. Here my first assumption is I am assuming just if it is 20, 125 twos are, it will be 250. 0 means 2500. But answer is greater than 2500. I don't know the answer, but answer should be greater than 20. Greater than 20, there are only two options. There are only two options. Greater than 20, there are only two options. I just assumed this thing, sir. But 5 into something, there should be one unit digit, so that the unit digit should be equal to the unit digit in the numerator, sir. So I cannot take even number. Why, sir? 5 into even number is becoming 0. So there is only one possibility, that is 23, sir. If you work out with some more questions, it will become very, very, very easy to use, sir. I'll try to give few more questions which are best questions. Okay, sir. So let me take one more example based on that. Let me take one more example. So this was the previous question. Now let us move on to the next question, sir. The question is like this: 8192 by 256. 8192 by 256. Here I don't know the answer. But in the unit digit, 6 into 2 will be 12. I am writing here. 6 into 2 will be 12. So to become the unit digit of numerator and the unit digit of denominator, definitely unit digit of numerator should be equal to unit digit of denominator, sir, without any doubt. If you have any answers, you can give me, sir. Murthy sir already explained multiplication of any other number with 125, which is not a multiple of 8. You should have missed it, sir. Sorry for that. As of now, I don't have the time, sir. Sorry for that. So unit digit should be 2, sir. So option can be like this: first option 15, second option 23, next option 17. So for this, if options are like this, I can eliminate all the options. Why, sir? In the answer, unit digit should be 2. Always you have to work according to the given options, sir. According to the given options. Yes, sir, I am coming to you. Yes, it can be 7 also, sir, because 6 7s is also 42. So you have to consider the options. Which are having unit digit 7. For suppose, let me consider one more option 12. One more option 23. Other option some 32. So you have to consider all the options. Which are having unit digit as 7 and unit digit of 2, because these two are only the possibilities. Now check out, sir. Now check it out. Let us consider it is 25. Let us consider it is 85. Nothing to bother about this, sir. Let us consider 25. Let us consider 85. Almost how many times it is becoming, sir? Almost it is 25 threes are, that is equal to 75. But answer is more than 25 threes are, sir. Answer is more than 25 threes are, sir. So answer I don't know, but it should be. Threes are means I just consider one number, but here denominator is 3 digit, numerator is 4 digit, means actually you have to consider 3 numbers. If it is 3 means answer should be greater than 30. If I am including one more digit. Why, sir? In the denominator I have only 3 digits, in the numerator I have 4 digits. Answer I don't know. Answer should be greater than 30. Answer should be greater than 30. But if you have the options like this, 33, cancel, 36, cancel. Why, sir? Unit digit of denominator should be equal to unit digit of numerator. Of course, my answer is greater than 30, but it should be 32 or it can be 37. It should be 32 or it can be 37. Like this, we can give the direct answers without working on it individually. This is one more good question, and especially in terms of DI, you can save some more time, sir. You can save some time, sir. Let me give one more example. Most probably this can be the last example of the day. Okay, let us work out with that. So my question is 133276 by 2563. 2563. Again, sir, I'll just work out with this only, sir. Unit digit is 3, but numerator the unit digit is 6. Means I don't know the answer. Unit digit should be 2. Unit digit should be 2. If you have any other option where 3 into something equal to 6, you have to consider that one also. In 3 table, how many times you will get to 2, sir? One is 3 4s are 12. There you are getting 2, sir. One is 3 4s are 12. So there you are getting 2. Again, anywhere you are getting 2, sir? Nowhere, sir. Only one option is there for that. Only one option is there for that. So I don't know the answer, but the unit digit is 2. So other than the unit digit 2, if any other option is giving, like this, all answers are wrong answer. Why, sir? It is for me, it is very, very clear that, unit digit should be 2. Unit digit should be 2. So I will only consider the options which are with 2 as the unit digit, which are with 2 as its unit digit. Yeah, very good, sir. You gave the answer as 52. Okay, we'll check it out. So for suppose the options are like this. Okay, sir, I'm giving these options: 32, 42, 52, 62. Then what can be the situation? Again, sir, I am considering 2 digits here. If you are considering 2 digits in the denominator, actually check out the numerator and denominator. Here I have 4 digits. But here I have 6 digits. 2 digits are more than that. So in the answer, definitely I will be having 2 digits for that. So just consider 25 and check out for this 3 digit. 25 to 133. Almost how many times? I'm just approximating, sir. Most of the DI questions can be solved just by approximations. 25 to 133. Actually, 25 5s is 125. 25 6s is 150. So answer should be in between 50 to 60. In between 50 to 60, there is only one option, that is 52. I hope it is clear to everyone. I just want to repeat it for the last time, and I just want to wind up my session, sir. I am repeating my question for one more time. Same question, sir. Same question. What is the given data? It is 133,276 by 2563, sir. I don't know the answer, but I got some clarity that unit digit should be 2. If the options are like this, 32, 42, 52, 62, just I am checking out here. Let us consider 25. Let us take 133. So almost it is into 5. Actually, it is greater than into 5. But if you take into 6, it will become 150. Means it should be less than 6. It should be greater than 5, less than 6. Because the digits are more, I can consider greater than 50, less than 60. Because the number of digits in the numerator are more, I can consider greater than 50, less than 60. To understand this concept, you need some more multiplication tricks, sir. Especially in tables, you should be very, very clear. Otherwise, it may be confusing factor to you. So if 25 5s I am taking, it is 125. 25 6 are 160, 150. So answer should be in between 50 and 60. In the given option, there is only one option, which is in between 50 and 60, sir. Jitendra, just to take one digit more than the denominator, sir. Nothing to bother about that. Because in options, it should be very, very clear. Nothing to worry about that. Just to try to approximate the first digit, sir. Try to approximate the first digit. Is this 5? Is this 6? Is this less than 5 or less than 6? Greater than 5 or greater than 6? Like that, if you are able to guess the first digit, you can get the answer. And here, we'll see that. In calculation, first I'm introducing a simple one. Multiplication of any number with 5. I'm just starting with a simple one. Multiplication of any number with 5. Multiplication of any number with 5. So let me give the simple examples. I'll just start with the basic numbers and I'll get into the depth. For suppose 18 into 5 is there. If you know the 18 table, actually you can answer this step directly. If you don't know, you'll waste the time. Okay, I'll just increase it now. 24 into 5. Multiplication of any number with 5, sir. Now let me increase the things now. 32 into 5. And now let me increase it again. 66 into 5. Some more huge numbers. 88 into 5. Any number, sir. I don't mind. I'll never bother about the size of the number. 96 into 5. All these are 2-digit numbers. Let me increase the size to 3-digit. 124 into 5. Let me increase some more. 244 into 5. It is 3 digits, sir. And after that I'll go to the 4-digit also, sir. I don't have any problem with that. 1028 into 5. If you wish again, I'll go for 2468 into 5. 4-digit. Not only this 2-digit, 3-digit, 4 digits are, any digit I can answer the question, sir, directly without wasting the time in individual multiplication. We'll look into that, sir. How to answer the questions. Generally, for suppose I'm taking this example. Generally, if you have to do this 96 into 5, a normal candidate can multiply it individually. 5 into 6, 30. 0. Carries 3. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. He can give the answer as 48. But here lot of time is getting wasted, sir. This is the general method. Now see how I am going to answer the questions. Sir, I don't like this 5, sir. I hate this 5. I don't like 5 at any case. So I just want to convert it into some simple form. So I can say that simple form as 10 by 2, sir. I can write this 5 in the form of 10 by 2. Why, sir? Multiplication of any number with 10. Nothing to do. Just to substitute 0. Now, what is the additional thing, sir? Divide with 2. Means what I am doing here? Instead of multiplying with 5, I am multiplying it with 10 by 2. Means if I am just forgetting about this multiplication with 10, I can say multiplication of 5 is becoming as division with 2. Multiplication of 5, I am just removing this 5 now. Multiplication of 5 is becoming as division with 2. Yes. Now divide 18 with 2. 9. Into 10 means 0. Divide 24 with 2. 12. Into 10 will be there. 0. Half of 32. Division with 2 means half of 32. 16. 0. Half of 66. 33. 0. Half of 88. 44. 0. Half of 96. 48. 0. Half of 124. 62. 0. Half of 244. 122. 0. Like this we can continue to any number, sir. You can continue it to any given number. So half of 1000 is 500. 28 half is 14. So 514. This is the half of 1028. So at the end what you have to do, sir? 0. Half of 2468. If it is possible to write down the direct half of the value, you can, or else divide individually. 2 will cancel for 1 time. 4 times. 4 for 2 times. 6 for 3 times. 8 for 4 times. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are. At the end what you have to do, sir? Add 1 0. This is the first level of multiplication of any number with 5, sir. I'll step by step increase the level of difficulty in multiplication. So here this is the first level of multiplying any number with 5. I hope it is clear to you. I am just converting that multiplication of 5. The multiplication of 5. The multiplication of 5 into division with 2. Of course, sir. I'll come to the odd numbers also. I'll come to the odd numbers also. Initially I mentioned that it is the first approach in multiplication of any number with 5. I'll come to the odd numbers. Nothing to worry, sir. Alright. So just to look at this. Yes, intentionally I gave all the numbers as even numbers. So from these questions, I think it is very very clear to you. Multiplication of any even number with 5 is now not at all a difficult task to you. I hope I can believe that. Now multiplication of any number, any even number with 5 is not a big deal to you. Now let us move to the odd numbers, sir. Let us move to the odd numbers. So let me take some examples. Now multiplication of odd numbers with 5. Multiplication of odd numbers with 5. So let me take some examples. I'll start with the basic examples and I'll move on to the huge values. 13 into 5. Let it be. Let me start with the basic example only. 19 into 5. After that 27 into 5. All are odd numbers, sir. You're asking for odd numbers. I'm taking odd numbers. Next 39 into 5. All these are 2-digit numbers, sir. Step by step I am increasing the length of the number. I'm increasing the length of the number. Let it be 89 into 5. Let it be 93 into 5. Any number you can give me, I can multiply it, sir. Any number you can give me. Let it be 109 into 5. All the entire list is of odd numbers, sir. Let it be 157 into 5. These are 3-digit. If you wish, I can extend it to 4-digit, 5-digit. Anything is okay to me. 4213 into 5. I don't have any problem with this. I don't have any problem. 9863 into 5. If you wish, you can now increase the length up to 5-digit, 6-digit. But in examination point of view, 4-digit is more than enough. In examination point of view, 4-digit is more than enough. Okay, sir? Okay, sir? Alright. Now, we'll work on it. So, what's happening here? 13 into 5. So, what is the difference from previous question to this question, sir? Previously, the number was even number. So, I wrote 5 as 10 by 2. So, multiply with 10. So, what is half of 13, sir? Actually, for initially I am giving the general method. 13 by 2 is 6.5. But you have to multiply this number with 10. Answer is 65. Answer is 65. But I am not interested to write this individual steps, sir. I am just clearing this step. What you did? You divided 13 by 2. You got 6.5, but you know that you have to multiply the number with 10. Answer is 65. Again I am telling you I am not interested in this. So what I will do? Let it be 13 only. Divide with 2. How many times it will get cancelled? Divide with 2. How many times it will get cancelled? 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. What is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. So if the remainder is 1, write 5. Previously there was no reminder. For suppose I'll take this one. Previously I gave you 18 into 5. Divide 18 with 2. 9. Was there any reminder? No. The remainder was 0. If the remainder is 0, write 0. If the remainder is 1, I can say like this also. 1 into 5, 5. Here 0 into 5, 0. Similarly, I am extending the concept. Divide with 2. 2 9s are 18. Remainder will be 1. 1 into 5, 5. Divide with 2. 2 13s are 26. Remainder is 1. 1 into 5, 5. Divide with 2. 2 19s are, I am writing here. 2 19s are 38. Remainder is 1. 1 into 5, 5. Like this, sir. Like this, you can extend this to any question, sir. Any number you can take, sir. Of course, few members they are asking some more questions. I'll answer each and everything, sir. Nothing to worry, sir. I'll answer each and everything. Now, divide with 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 is there. 2 4s are 8. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. So, what is 1 into 5? 5. Answer is 445, sir. Now, divide with 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1 means 13. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. 1 into 5. 5, sir. Nothing to worry, sir. Don't multiply any number with 5, sir. If you have to multiply with 5, simply divide with 2. Simply divide with 2. Remainder into 5 will be your answer. And this concept, this multiplication of into multiplication with 5 concept, I'll extend the same concept to some other numbers, sir. I'm just continuing, sir. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 54 times it will get cancelled. Remainder is 1. 1 5s are 5, sir. Now, 2 7s are 14. 1 is the remainder, 17. 2 8s are 16. 1 is the remainder, 1 5s are 5, sir. Continue the method, sir. Don't stop, sir. Continue the method to any given number. Any given number you can use this, sir. So, what is my next thing? 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Yes or no, sir? So, after that, there is 0, or else you can directly write down, sir. Nothing to worry. So, what is half of 4000, sir? Half of 4000 is 2000. That I know, sir. Half of 4000 is 2000. Half of 200, 100. Half of 200, 100. Am I right, sir? Now, what is the left out number, sir? 13, sir. Divide 13 with 2. 2 6 are 12, sir. 1 will be the remainder. 1 5 are 5, sir. I am just repeating this step only for your simplicity, sir. So, one thing is you can directly divide. If you are not interested in individual division, you can write like this. 4000 is there. Half of 4000 is 2000. In the place of 1000, I am just writing 2. 200 is there. Half of 200 is 100. In the place of 100's place, I am just writing 1, sir. Now, what is there, sir? 13 is there. Half of 13, sir. 2, how many times it will cancel 13, sir? 2 6 are. It will cancel for 6 times. What is the remainder? 1, sir. 1 5 are 5, sir. I hope it is clear, sir. I hope it is clear. I am just expecting the answer of 9863. 9863 into 5, sir. I am just expecting the answer of 9863 into 5 from your side. I am just expecting the answer of. Okay. Okay. So here, sorry for that. Here I just forgot to add 0 in the last, sir. Yes, yes. I just forgot to add 0 in the last. Proceed, sir. Nothing to worry. Proceed, sir. See. 2 21s are 42. 2 21s are 42. Nothing is there. So, 2 zeros, 0. Because only 1 is there, right? So, you cannot cancel it directly. 2 0, 0. After that, what is the number, sir? 13. So, I just forgot to write that 0, sir. Sorry for that. So, 2 6 are 12. Now, 1 will be the remainder. 1 5 are 5, sir. 1 5 are 5. So, this will be the answer, sir. I hope it is clear now. Yes, it is 21065. I need the answer of the last thing, sir. That is 9863 into 5. Yes. Faniraj, Naveen, Siddhartha, Ritesh. All Ritesh, you gave it as 24315. Please check it, sir. It is 9000 into 5. Answer should be definitely 45,000 plus, sir. But Ritesh has given it as 24. So please check it out, sir. Yes, most of the members are giving 49315. Benjamin Bannu, you gave it as 4931.5. Just think logically. It is 9800 into 5. It should not be 4900. You gave the right answer, but you may be struggling in that point. Just work on that. Vijit, Madhuri, yes. Yes. Shamili, yes. Very good, sir. Very good. Rashmi, yes. Very good. So let me solve the question. Let me solve the question. Again the same thing, sir. Nothing will change here. Nothing will change. Divide with 2. That's all. So 2 4s are 8. 8. 1 is the remainder. Means it will be 18. 2 9s are 18. Up to this it is cancelled. After that 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. Yes or no, sir? 2 3s are 6. Cancel. 3 is there. 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder? 1. 1 into 5. 5. So answer is 49315. I am just repeating the procedure because with this I am going to end this multiplication of any number with 5. So let me explain it for one more time. I am dividing with 2. So 2 4s are 8. 1 is the remainder. It will become 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 8 is also cancelled. 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. 6 is cancelled. 3 is there. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 1 into 5. 5. So 49,315 should be the required answer. 49,315. 49,315. Ajay Kumar, if remainder is 3, please give one example. Sir, sorry to say that. If you divide any number with 2, if you divide any number with 2, if you divide any number with 2, the maximum remainder is 1 only. How can you get 3, sir? If you divide any number with 2, maximum remainder is 1 and the minimum remainder is 0. Other than 0 and 1, you will never get anything, sir. You will never get any other remainder. Don't expect for other reminders. Ajay Kumar, I think it's clear to you. Bannu, explain once again, sir. Which one, sir? It's okay, Ajay. Nothing to worry. Yes. Yes. So can I move on to the next model, sir? Right. Right. I'm just clearing this data. Right. Same concept I just wanted to use. Now I again come back to 5, sir. One more method is there. Now my question is multiplication of any number with 25. Put the heading. Multiplication of any number with 25. It may be 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, up to so on, any number of digits, sir. Multiplication of any number with 25, sir. Multiplication of any number with 25. I am taking few examples, sir. Simple examples. For suppose you can answer these type of questions. 3 into 25, all of you know it is 75. But in examination, if it is 9 into 25, it can be the last step of your question. You may have to waste some second. If you are wasting 1 second, that is also time waste, sir. Because there are many members who are trying to click on the answer at the nth second of examination, and because of lack of this 1 second, they are not able to answer that question. They worked hard to get the answer, they got the answer, but they are not able to click on the option in online examination. All are online examinations, sir. So every second is important to you. So we are not supposed to waste any single second. So 9 into 25. Okay, sir. Few members can answer this 9 into 25 directly. I am just increasing the level. So first let me take easy examples. Not this 9 into 25 also. Let me take the easy examples. What are they? 8 into 25, 12 into 25, 16 into 25. Many of you, I hope you got the logic already. 24 into 25. I hope you got the logic now. 48 into 25. 64 into 25. All these are 2 digit. 96 into 25. If this 2 digit is clear to everyone, I can move on to any digit, sir. I move on to any digit, sir. Yes, yes. Praveen. Praveen, you're right, Praveen. It is 100 by 4. It is 100 by 4. I can write this 25. I can write this 25 as 100 by 4 because multiplication of any number with 100, I don't have any problem. Substitution of 2 zeros at the end. That is my thing, sir. So, first thing, no need to work on it. 8. Previously for 5 you divided with 2. Now, in this case, you have to divide with 4, sir. Now, you have to divide with 4. Divide 8 with 4, sir. What you will get? 2. Add 2 zeros in the last, sir. I am continuing. Divide 12 with 4, sir. How many times? 3 times. 2 0. Divide 6, cancel. 2 zeros. Divide 64 with 4, sir. 16 4s are 64 means in examination for calculations. In 24 table, I know that 24 4s are 96. 24 5 times 120. Similarly, 24 into 6, 144. Like this few times you can save some time if you know the 24 table. 24 table is very, very important in the point of examination. So divide with 4. How many times? 24 times 2400. Very good. So this is the concept. I hope it is clear. And you may ask me, sir, what if the numbers are not perfectly divisible by 4? What if the numbers are not perfectly divisible with 24? Sorry, with 4. So we need to work on that also, sir. We need to work on that also. Okay, sir? Right. Right. Now, this is the first level, sir, basic level. Please note it down. Note down the data first. Note down the data. Yes, Shiv Komal. I'll get into that. After this, I'll get into that. You're asking me what if the number is not a multiple of 4. I'll explain after this. Please note it down. Please note it down. Okay. Can I clear this content, sir? I'm just clearing this content now. Alright. Now, I'm just going to extend this concept to its next level. Komal Yadav, this is for you. You're asking that multiplication of 25 is okay, sir, whatever you explained. Very nice. But what if the numbers are not divisible by 4 perfectly? Now I can take 9 into 25. Now you can give me any number, sir, without any fear. It may be 2 digit, 3 digit, up to so on n digits. But according to the examination point of view, the maximum digit is 4 digit. Maximum digit is 4 digit. And most of the cases it can be 2 or 3 digit only. Most of the cases it can be 2 or 3 digit only, not even the 4 digit. So let me work out up to 4 digit. 13 into 25. Let it be 17 into 25, 23 into 25, and next 37 into 25. I am giving most of the 2 digit numbers first because in examination point of view 2 digit into 25 is the most important thing in the way of calculations. Okay, I'll just increase the level. 43 into 25. Now you can ask me anything, sir. Now you can ask me any question to me. Now any number into 25, I can answer the question now. Let it be 89 into 25. Here no number is divisible by 4, sir. First let me work on these things. No number is divisible by 4, sir. No number is divisible by 4. Okay, Faniraj, you did it as 8.25 into 100. Right, you can do that, but no need to waste your time, Faniraj. So, just look at this. 9 is the number. What is 25, sir? According to the previous one only, 100 by 4. So, divide with 4, sir. Okay, divide with 4, sir. How many times 9 is divisible with 4, sir? 4 2s are 8. Remainder, sir? 1 is the remainder. Remainder is 1. 1 into 25. 25. That's all, sir. Previously, similar to the multiplication with 5, sir, where remainder into 5. If it is 0, 0 into 5, 0. If it was 1, 1 into 5, 5. Similarly, divide 13 with 4, sir. How many times? 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 1 into 25. 25. Divide 17 with 4, sir. How many times? 4 4s are. Remainder 1. 1 into 25. 25. I took all the numbers as remainder 1 just for your simplicity. Now the reminders will change. Divide 23 with 4, sir. 4 5s are 20. Remainder is 3. 3 into 25. 75. Divide 37 with 4. 4 9s are 36. Remainder is 1. 1 into 25. 25. Divide 43 with 4. 4 10s are 40. Remainder is 3. 3 into 25. 75. 3 into 25. 75. Divide 73 with 4. Sir, it is better to learn all the tables. At least the worst thing is up to 20, sir. Why? Because here if you don't know this division with 4, you have to work out individually, like 4 1s are 4, remainder is 3, 33, 4 8s are 32. Like this you have to work out, sir. But if I know the 18 table, I'm just writing here, I know that 18 4s is 72, means 73 is the given number. Up to 72 it is 18 4s, means 4 will divide this number for 18 times. I can directly answer the question if I know the tables. If you don't know the table, please learn the tables, sir. If that is the case, sir, I am a person who don't know the tables, but definitely I will try to learn the tables. In that case, go generally. 4 1s are 4, 3 is the remainder 33, 4 8s are 32, 1 is the remainder, 1 into 25, 25. Divide with 4, sir. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. In this 1 is the remainder, 1 into 25, 25. 93, sir. 4 2s are 8, 1 is the remainder 13, 4 3s are 12, 1 is the remainder 25. So 2 3 25. I hope 2 remainder is not given in these examples. I'll give the 2 remainder. Let it be 38 into 25. Divide with 4. 4 9s are 36. Remainder 2. 2 into 25. 50. So this is the second level of multiplication of any number with 25, sir. This is the second level of multiplication of any number with 25, sir. Please note it down, sir. Please note it down, sir. Please note it down. Make it fast, sir. Make it fast. Now, in these two, multiplication with 5, multiplication with 25. Now you can ask me any question, sir. If still you have any questions, you can ask me now, sir. You can ask me the questions now. I'll answer. If you still have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Okay. If it is completed, I am going to the next concept. Same method can be utilized. Same method can be utilized. For now, you should give me the answer, sir. I'll never explain anything. I'm not going to explain anything to you. Now the same concept actually I can use for multiplication of any number with 125. Can anyone please tell me? Can anyone please tell me how can I convert this multiplication of 125? Let us consider few easy numbers. 8 into 125. Let me consider 24 into 125. Let me consider 48 into 125. Like this, if you have to multiply any number with 125, so what can I use, sir? Yes, Prem Kumar, you're 100% correct, sir. Divide with 8. No, sir. Praveen, Kilari Praveen, how it can be 10,000 by 4, sir? Okay, okay, in one way, you can think in that way, but I can simply write it as 125 is equal to 1000 by 8, sir. First multiplication with 5, it was 10 by 2. Multiplication of 125, it was 100 by 4. Multiplication of 125, it is 1000 by 8. In each and every step 0 0 0 is increasing. In each and every step 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The 2 factor is going to be increased, sir. I hope it is clear. Now divide this number with 8. 8 is divided with 8 one time, but substitute 3 zeros. It will become 1000. 8 is dividing 24. 8 3s are 24. Write 3 zeros. 8 is dividing 48. 8 6 are 48. Write 3 zeros. These are the answers, sir. These are the answers, sir. Okay. Okay. So please note it down. I'll enter into its next level. Don't ask me what if the number is not divisible by 8. I'm getting into that also. Just have a look on it. Actually, according to the examination, this level is enough. Multiplication of any number with 25, in that most probably multiplication with 8 is enough, sir.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.